Welcome! If you want to keep your personal information safe while streaming, Discord's Streamer Mode is the perfect tool. Today, I'll show you how to enable Streamer Mode on Discord Web using your PC, following the latest update. Let's get started and make sure your streams stay private and professional. First, open up Discord right from your browser. You don't need to download anything extra. Just head to the Discord website and log in with your account. Once you're in, look down to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see a small gear icon right next to your username. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open your user settings. Now that you're in the settings menu, take a look at the left sidebar. Scroll through the options until you find Streamer Mode under the App Settings section. Click on Streamer Mode to enter the dedicated settings page. Inside the Streamer Mode menu, you'll see a simple toggle labeled Enable Streamer Mode. Just click or tap this switch to turn it on. Once enabled, Discord will automatically hide sensitive information like your email, connected accounts, invite links, and even notifications while you're live. This means you can stream with confidence, knowing your private details are protected from your audience. If you want even more control, you can customize what Streamer Mode hides. Adjust the settings to show or hide specific information, or mute sounds and notifications according to your preferences. For those who stream often, there's also an option to set up a keybind, letting you quickly toggle Streamer Mode on or off whenever you need it. That's all it takes. With Streamer Mode enabled, you can focus on your content without worrying about exposing personal details. Remember, you can always return to these settings to make changes or disable Streamer Mode when you're done streaming. Thanks for watching and happy streaming!